One owner, low maintenance condo with tree-lined rear lot for loads of privacy. Open floor plan, 9 ceilings, walnut flooring and GR/dining room and hallway. Sun-filled GR with windows galore. Double-sided gas fireplace can be enjoyed from GR or family room. White 42 inches kitchen cabinetry plus solid surface countertops and new stainless steel appliance package. Master suite with vaulted ceiling and amp, ensuite offers double vanity, garden tub plus separate shower. Split bedroom floor plan. Private desk/nook area 2. Relax in sunroom or sit out on screened covered patio. Attached shelving in garage stays, pull down attic stairs with small floored area and attic above garage for extra storage. Monthly maintenance fee $193 plus $250 semi-annual for pool/walking trails/playground.